Hello my unique queens, Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my very first unboxing video and I'm very excited about it. As you've seen in the title, it is an unboxing of the Your Natural Hair box. I just subscribed to them last month, which was February, and this is the February box. I have it right here. I'm so super excited. Like I said, it's my first time. If you guys have not heard about Your Natural Hair box, this is a monthly subscription that is only $29.99, and you get to get full-size products every month from the people that decide to put their goodies inside. I absolutely am so excited about this. The reason why is I am a product junkie, yes, and there are some products out there that I have not tried, and this is the best way to figure out what works best on your hair and to be able to try new things and not break the bank. Like I said, it's only $29.99 for the subscription. I actually have a coupon code that I will link down in the description bar where you can save 10% off of your subscription just by using that coupon code. And I also put the link to their website down there so that way it'd be easy access for you guys to get to it. So I'm so super excited to open this. And I know that you also read in the title of this video that there will be a giveaway. Definitely stay tuned to the end of this video so that way you'll see what I'm giving away and all of the details and how you could go ahead and put yourself in to win. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, so it's time to open it. I'm excited. I've already pulled the seal off, and this is what it looks like when it comes to you. Like I said, this is a February one. I am a bit late on this video, but it's okay. A girl has been busy, but we're just gonna act like it's February right now. Yeah. So it comes with this here, and inside it tells you about the products that are in here, but I don't want to open this just yet, because I want to be surprised on what products are in the box. So let's go ahead and rip this open. Here we go. All right, product number one. As you can see, it is full size. This is the African Pride Shea Miracle Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. This is a 15-ounce container for natural hair. Okay, so I have not tried this, and that's what I'm loving about this box. I'm going to get things that I have never seen before, have never tried before, and then it's full size. So if I try it once and I love it, guess what? I got the whole full size of it. And I'm pretty sure that the stuff that adds up in here could be up to $29 or more. But anyway, this is product number one. All right, product number two. There it is here. This is the Hawaiian Silky Herbal Ultra Moisturizing Conditioning Shampoo. All right, this is for relaxed or natural hair. It detangles and conditions, cleanses and nourishes. It gives extra body and fullness. Wow. I am just super excited. I don't want to take the top off yet, but this just looks like it even smells good. Two, this is our Texture My Way Curl Keeping Moisturized Hair Lotion for mega moisture. You see, mega moisture, and locks in long lasting silky curls and waves. I have not seen this product before either. I am just so excited. There's so many new products out there that are coming out each and every day for naturals, and I want to try them all, honestly. But this is product number three. On to product number four. There is more in this box. This is the Silicone Max. It's a shampoo. It says it It has bamboo extract and vitamins infused in this. Wow, this is so, I got 2 shampoos in this one. This has vitamin A, E, F, H, was biotin. I did not know that. Biotin. Wow, okay. And pro vitamins B5, B8, and it just keeps going on and on and on. Now this seems like it'll be really, really good because I know that the silicone is for like the strength and the shininess of your hair, and I really think that would be really great. Wow. Product number 4. And then there's one last thing in my box. One last thing. And it is a bonus item. It is the ORS Curls Unleashed. This is a aloe vera and honey curl boosting gel. And it's the sample pack. Now this feels like it'll be enough to probably do my hair 2 times. I have a lot of hair. So, but this is definitely a nice size sample. This is for all hair types. And it is crunch free. Yes, I have got to try this. Crunch free. I am so super excited about everything that's in this box. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, I have kept you guys waiting long enough. Now it's time for me to tell you what the giveaway is. I will be giving away everything that was in that box. I'm going to be sending one lucky winner the Your Natural Hair box straight to your door. All you have to do to enter to win is, of course, be subscribed to my channel. Also, like and comment on this video why you think you should be chosen for the Your Natural Hair box. Last but not least, all you have to do is go on over to my Instagram and follow me there and find the picture where I'm holding the Your Natural Hair box and share that with 2 friends. That is it. I will be telling you guys who the winner is once I hit 3,000 subscribers. So go ahead, share with a friend so we can hurry up and get there so we can figure out who is the lucky winner. And don't forget to go to Your Natural Hair website and use the coupon code down below so you can save on your subscription. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.